Hello and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today we're looking at this Triumph 1050 Speed Triple. It's a 2010 model, it's had two owners from new, it's got a fully comprehensive service history and it is in very good condition. It's a beautiful bike. Obviously a 1050cc, it's a triple, very popular engine used across lots of the Triumph bikes across the range, even some even today, same configuration. It's a really creamy, smooth engine. It's a fantastic bit of kit, just over 100 brake horsepower. Really punchy low down, very popular sports and kids. So I'm going to walk you around it and try and do it some justice. So starting at the front, the bike's very well equipped. It's got 310mm Brembo discs and, as you can see, Brembo 4-pot calipers, which are radially mounted onto upside down forks. So really good front end on this bike. It's also complemented by braided hoses as standard, so that's a really nice touch there from Triumph. You can see that it's a water-cooled engine. The previous owner has also fitted a fender extender just to stop the mud and stuff from flicking off of the rear wheel onto the oil cooler and onto the radiator as well. And subsequently, the radiator's in fantastic condition, as are the headers. Forks, as you can see, are not pitted or rusted. There's no leakages or anything like that. As we pan up, you can see it's the round headlight version. They were later changed to almost a hexagonal shape, and the previous owner has fitted the optional fly screen, which I think looks absolutely fantastic. And as we come around the side, you can see that the overall condition of the bike is absolutely beautiful. It's been very well loved and looked after. No signs of any drops, bangs, scrapes or anything like that at all. You'll see that the previous owner has fitted some knee pads, which are a good option. There's a large painted surface there and it can be a bit slippery if you're not riding in things like levers. Also got some carbon fibre heel plates and some nice aftermarket exhausts. Exhausts sound very nice, as you'll hear when I start it up, and they do have a baffle in it as well. So absolutely road legal, no problems there at all. It's not obnoxiously loud as far as aftermarket exhausts go. I suspect if you took the baffles out, it would get quite a little bit louder. Around this side it's much the same. The condition is very good. Again, no signs of any drops, bangs, scrapes, no corrosion, no rust, anything like that at all. It's clearly been looked after and it's clearly been garaged most of its life, if not all of its life. Chain sprockets are very good. Rear tyres okay, front tyres okay, all sort of roadworthy and in good condition with at least 3mm of tread throughout. One other thing to note is that it's got an aftermarket luggage rack on the back. So that just stops all the luggage from being draped over your exhaust. Easily removable if that's not something that you want on the back of the bike. As I said, the bike comes with a fully comprehensive service history. It comes with the factory fitted data tool alarm and immobiliser from Triumph and 2 keys as well. And it also comes fitted with Oxford heated grips, which are one of the better brands that we tend to fit to all of our sales bikes. So there you can see the mileage, 14,449 miles. I'm going to give her a start up for you so you can hear, just pull the clutch in. Looks and sounds absolutely fantastic, this bike. It's not really done a great deal of mileage in the last couple of years, so it's looking for an owner to ride it, ready for the spring next year. This bike will come with a 3-month warranty with roadside assistance as well for the ultimate sort of peace of mind. We offer free delivery on all of our bikes as well. Try and take advantage of that while you can. Not sure how much longer that's going to last. We offer finance and we do offer part exchange as well. So if any of those things are things that you're interested in, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp, Facebook. We've got live chat on our website and on Auto Trader, or you can pop in, give me a call for a chat, that sort of thing. That's it for me for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.